this 24 karat gold one-step volumizer. When I have a special night out, trust me, this is gold. After I prep my hair, I simply take it section by section and dry. I like to wrap my hair around the barrel and keep turning it as I brush down. It works fast and adds a little more body. When I get to the front, I just curl up and away from my face to create even more body, and slowly to really set the waves. If I'm going to a dinner party, I like to pin the front part back and done. And that's my volume.
Blow dryer brushes. The single shot round blow dryer brush and the double shot oval blow dryer brush. They're both a brush and a blow dryer in one, and they make it super easy to get a smooth, shiny blowout at home. So which shot is for you? The single shot has a 2 1/4 inch round barrel. It's perfect for shorter hairstyles and bangs, or for creating more defined waves and curls. The double shot has a larger oval barrel, similar in size to our double pint round brush. It's great for longer or thicker hair types, adding tons of volume. Both the single and doubles of shine while styling. The strategically placed vents provide maximum airflow for a faster blowout. Here's how to use them. After slowly from roots to ends until the section is dry and smooth. And there you have it. For shorter hair or defined waves and curls, use the single shot. And for longer or thicker hair or additional volume, make it a double.